guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I did this icy blue eye. I really went out of my comfort zone. I think it's so fun to do and very creative. So if you want to learn how to do this icy blue eye, then keep on watching. Okay, to start off this blue icy winter eye look, I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to dip in the color Indigo from the Morphe 39a palette. I'm going to put this in my crease. I think I'm going to do a halo eye, so I'm also going to bring it in my inner corner. And to blend out the edges, I'm just going to take a M433 brush, just put that around the blue. I'm going to keep going in and deepening up the outer corner and my inner corner as well. Okay, once I have the base down, I'm going to take some concealer and do a middle cut crease. Does that make sense? Okay, and while that's still wet, I'm going to take this packing brush. It's a concealer brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to take the shade Tailored. And so now it looks a little messy and weird. So to fix that, I'm going to go back into the M441 and take that first blue shade again and blend the edges. Okay, so to deepen up that blue shade, I'm going to take the shade Muse on this little Morphe M562 brush. To deepen up this blue, I'm going to press it in and then blend it very lightly because I still want it to look more blue than this dark gray. Okay, I just did my foundation and my concealer, and now I'm going to do my lower lash line, like the shadows or whatever. So I'm going to do the same thing I did on my lid to my lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to take MAC White Frost. Don't worry, I'll blend it after. Okay, so I just bronzed my face, contoured my nose, and put this NYX white eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm going to highlight. I'm using MAC's Soft and Gentle. It's getting a little destroyed, but it's my favorite, so I gotta use it. Okay, so I just applied eyelashes. Oh, I forgot to put mascara on. Moving on to lips, I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetic, liquid lipstick in the shade Candy K. Okay guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media. It will be linked right down below. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video.